So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today is a video about what is trading 212 CFDs or just CFDs altogether. And basically I'm going to teach you and tell you how to be able to trade CFDs on Trading 212. You can do it on eToro, any other site, but today what I'm going to show you is Trading 212. And Trading 212 is a site that I use all the time. However, Trading 212 is a bit risky, a bit dodgy. The spreads are very high. There's a big gap. If you don't know what spreads are basically the difference between the sell and the buy, or the short and the buy. So basically, if there's a big difference, that means there's a big spread. If they're close together, it means there's a short spread. So that means it's very close. Basically, Trading 212 CFDs let you trade stocks, forex, commodities, gold, all of that type of stuff. Anything. However, you do not actually own it. You are mainly just trading. So you don't own an asset, you're just trading the actual price of it. So with Trading 212 CFDs, they are leveraged stocks. If you're doing stocks, for example, if you're doing Tesla, you'll get a leveraged amount because you're actually borrowing from Trading 212. That's why it is very risky. Trading 212 CFDs, I think CFDs overall are risky. I think the stat is 98% of traders do end up losing, which is a crazy amount. The percentage is very high, it's very dodgy, and sometimes you do win. Most time you always win your first one and lose the rest, but I try and stay away. Sometimes I get a bit bored and actually do a few CFD trades because I'm bored and end up losing quite a bit. And I did the other day lose quite a bit. I think I lost about £200 shorting some stock, which ended up going up 150% overnight. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do trading CFDs. So let's get into it. If you have not yet got a Trading 212 account, make sure to use the link in the description. I have a referral link right there, and that will get you a free share of up to £100, well, dollars. And if you're new to free trade as well, use the link in the description. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like, as it does mean the world. So let's get straight into the video. Boom. So I'm on the CFDs right now. As you can see, I have deposited my funds. I have 30 of the finest pounds on my account. I'm going to try and find a trade. However, the American market is not open yet, so we will just use UK or see what other stocks. I think Tesla is open as well. What I can do is I can trade. Well, I haven't got much money, so we're going to stay away from Tesla. Let's go for Apple, see if I can trade them. Yes, I can indeed. I can't even afford Apple. Because I've only got £30, it doesn't really help. I'm trying to find a cheaper stock, so let me choose. Who could I think about? Normally it's very leveraged. But I think with the account I've got, because I lost such a high amount the other day, I don't think I'm allowed to put too much on. Let's just try and find a good stock. No, we're going to do a UK stock. So we're going to do Barclays Bank, because why not? Let's just do Barclays Bank. I'm going to put on a 1 minute chart. As you can see, you can also press the enlarge bit there, and that is the chart. You can see it. You can change the candlesticks at the bottom here. You can change it. It's up to me what I'd like to do. So what I was saying about the spread earlier, the sell for Barclays is £1.50, and the buy is £1.5136. So that is the spread. There is basically a 1p difference, which is quite a bit. That's quite a bit of a difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking at the chart. It's basically, if you can tell, CFDs are a gamble. I'm going to buy into Barclays. So this is the amount of shares I can buy for my money. I can get up to 39 shares because it's leveraged, of course. So I'm going to buy 20. I'm going to buy 20. Yeah, buy 20. Press buy, and there you go. My order has been executed. I go onto the pie chart at the bottom. That's how you see your trades. At the moment, blocked funds. That cost me £15, and I have £14 of free funds. You need to make sure you've got free funds, because at the top where it says 66%, that's your like balance. If it goes, say if Barclays the price decreased, my 66% will start going down and down and down. When it hits its margin call, it means it's worrying times. It's scary times basically. If it hits margin call, you could have your position closed if you have not got enough money on the account. Basically, if it goes into the minuses, it could eat your whole account up. So when it gets to position close, which is around about 40-30%, that's when the position gets closed automatically because you have not got enough funds on the account. So I'm just going to let it sit here and play out. I don't think it's going to be moving that much because obviously UK stocks do not move. But if you want to take a take profit, so if you want to set how much you want to take profit, you can literally say I want to have it at 52, say 53, £1.53, and that profit will be in the green of 32p. Stop loss, I can change that to say I don't want it to hit any less than 48p. Let's just change that. Confirm changes, and if I click onto the chart now, you should see where I've got, you can't see it too well, but you can see where I've got my take profit and my stop loss, and this is just in case it does take a dive and it will automatically take it out at that point. And take profit, if it hits my take profit, it will cash out automatically. See, there's a nice bit of blue there and it's just gone completely. The bad thing with CFDs as well is that you're always constantly looking at it, and that's the thing. CFDs, I don't really like CFDs. Like I said, I do like to play around with it, however it's too dodgy and it's very time consuming. But if this is for you, then CFDs are for you. But like I said, it's very dodgy. And yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and also a quick one, you can press cancel right here and confirm close, and that's how you close a position. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But yeah, this is my quick little video of how to do CFD trading. But yeah guys, make sure to hit that link in the description if you haven't got a Trading 212 account, and subscribe and leave a like. Thank you guys, see ya, bye.